My radio isn't working. So what do you want for it? Unemployment insurance? That's a good one, Adolf. That's a good one. Yeah, I stole it off of James Cagney in White Heat. So you think that's funny, eh? Well, after the bunker incident, I'm speaking in a very high voice. A very high voice. Boy, that Adolf, he just cracks me up. They tried to blow me up in the bunker, but it just didn't work.
So what do you think, boys? We get together next week, we take over the world? What do you think? I think we can
take over the world, but we got to invent a computer first. You have to invent me the computer. You better. If you boys don't come up with the computer really quickly, you're in deep scheißen. Well, they didn't come up with the computer, and they were immediately shot. And that's what happened. And we lived happily ever after. Thanks for the memories.